Hey YouTube, what's up YouTube? It's your favorite lady sneaker here from the D313 Retro Queen, here with another vid. I'm at work, so I be trying to get this done, and sometimes I just can't get it done at home, so excuse my atmosphere. But so um I was watching the RESHOVN8R ad on IG, and I realized, like, like they put the dirt all on there, then they, right away they clean and they getting it all off of there or whatever. And I'm like, you know, I wonder how this would work if I used it on my 9-year-old shoes. So I'm telling you, I let him beat these Lebrons, okay? Like, he playing them, all kind of stuff. So I let them sit. So this some set in dirt, like it's set in. So I'm not expecting them to come out and be like brand new. I'm trying to see if, I can clean them up, not have the smelly boy played in gym shoe smell to it. So that's really what I'm looking for. So we are going to check it out and see how well it works. But before we get into that, could y'all please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the dislike button. If you hit the dislike button, I'm all right with that. But if you do that, please try to leave a comment so I can try to adjust and make things better or make the content better. I'm always open to suggestions. So without further ado, here we go. Wow. This is the RESHOVN8R kit. You have 3 brushes, you have the soft, you have stiff, pause, and you have the all-purpose. Here is the solution, the cleaning solution, and I just have a regular bowl of clear warm water. So what you normally do is you go ahead and put a few drops on the brush and dip it in the water. And my son is 9, and these are his play shoes, so they are very much loved, very much worn. And so like this some set in dirt. So I just wanted to see how well it will work up against my son's play shoes, and not just my shoes that I keep in mint condition and clean after every wear. So I forgot to take the strings out before I started cleaning the shoe. So I just decided to start taking the strings out. I was like, oh yeah, I probably need to soak these, because how else I'm gonna clean the strings. But as you can see, these shoestrings were giving me all kind of hell. They were sticking to the Velcro and all kind of stuff. So I was like, okay, let me do shoe number 2. Let me see that's some strong ass Velcro right there, I'm telling y'all. So I was they was like, I'm trying to pull the string out, and it would get like a little bit of the shoestring bulged at the end, and then like it would be like I had to pull on that sucker. I was hoping I make sure I was like, please don't break a nail. But like I said, these shoes are very well worn in. My son is 9, so he gonna grow out them fairly quickly anyway. So I'd rather them look like this, and I can just toss them when he done with them. You know what I'm saying? So this is the laundry kit. So I am just actually gonna go through and I'm pre-cleaning the shoe, because like I said, this dirt is like set in dirt. So I'm just seeing how well they can clean them. I really don't expect anything to get this shoe or these sneakers back to their original glory. It's just not gonna happen. So I'm looking to just get the worn in smell out, clean it up a little bit so he can continue to play in them and roll around and have a dog, play with them or whatever. So I'm just rambling for real though, because these shoes I had to really put some work in on just to clean these bad boys. I feel bad as a parent that I let these shoes get this bad. I mean, he's got a lot of pair of shoes, so I guess I wasn't really thinking about it until I wanted to do a vid. boys right here, these gonna get RESHOVN8R a run for their money. So I was just making sure to pre-treat the whole shoe. You know, inside that little strap area, you know, where it tend to not get as dirty because it's always covered. Hitting that fabric part on that Lebrun. You know, I did not clean the bottom of the shoes just because the bottom is never gonna, you know, I'm not going to the extent of where I'm trying to, you know, clean the bottoms or get them to be, you know, back translucent or anything like that. So yeah, that ain't happening, and I know it ain't gonna happen. So I was just kind of like, why bother? I mean, like I said, these are just play shoes, so I don't really, you know, I don't really care to get them back to their glory. They're not anyway. He got like paint chipping on them and shit, so it's not a big deal. But he's at the size where these handy shoe trees that also come in a laundry kit fit his shoe perfectly. He is in a size 3, so they fit like perfect. That's the laundry bag that I just put the left shoe in. So here I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all listen to some music while I clean this second shoe. Oh wait, guess what? I didn't put y'all through the whole hassle of that. I just put that in the bag, or I was talking through it anyway. Well, here we are. I'm using my grandma's washer because I didn't want it to mess up my brand new washer. Have shoes thumping around in mine. So here's the RESHOVN8R laundry, the part that goes in the actual washer. So there's already a cap. When you take the cap off, all you do is remove the cap. Then there's a little aluminum seal on there when you first get it. So go ahead and open that up. And then if you see, there's already a little measuring cup that measures about, I think it's an ounce or so of the cleaning solution for the washer. So you just squeeze that, and then it just goes back down to right there. And that's the amount you need supposedly to clean the shoe or whatever. So moving all this stuff out the way, and I make sure we don't have agitators, so that's a good thing. She didn't have that in there because I'm not sure how that would have worked. So we're just going look at here. I ain't used this washer in a minute, so I gotta get reacquainted with her settings too. So let me pour this solution in here on these shoes right quick. I just poured them right on top of the bag. I figured that was the best spot for it, because she don't have one of those little pull out where you put specifically in there. So I didn't really know what setting to put it on, so I just decided to go with the, I guess, I don't know, we just gonna move it around here and put it on some setting. I don't know, right here. All right, we're just gonna put it on heavy duty because, like I said, that shoe was pretty well played in. We got everything set on normal, regular, and we're just gonna start this and let it go and do its thing. Okay, here we are. Shoes all washed. Grandma's already got something in the washing machine, so she must have wanted to come down here and see what I was doing. But here's his shoes. It looked like she took these. I think she took these out because this is not what it looked like when I put it in there. But all right, Grandma. Yeah, and the shoe tree is missing. Now, see, Grandma, if you gonna mess with stuff, you gotta at least put it back how it was. Look at his insole. She tripping. But overall, I mean, for how the shoe looked, it's pretty decent. I mean, that tongue got really white. I was surprised that the tongue got that white. But like I said, that was some set in dirt for like some months. So the shoe is to a point where he can go out in public with me again. Like, I'm not gonna trip too much on it. I mean, like, we ain't going nowhere fancy in it, but if I'm running to the store, these look pretty decent. Like it did way better. Like they don't smell, you know what I'm saying? Like they smell good. They don't have that worn in boy feet smell to it. So that worked out. I'm having some difficulty getting this other one out to check it out. But yeah, she definitely took those out the bag. She played me. But it's okay. It's okay. I love her. And, if I would have said something, she probably would have hit me. So we're going to leave grandma alone. But, yeah, I mean, they did pretty good for it to be, a play shoe. I couldn't have expected more out of it. Because like I said, it still got some dirt deep down in the creases and of that little plastic part that's over the knit portion. But I really wasn't trying to clean them like that. So, I mean, I wasn't trying to get down in there like that. I was just trying to see what it would do. But, yeah, it looked like RESHOVN8R did a good job. So, go RESHOVN8R. Y'all try that out on your shoes. See how you like it. Peace.